Hi students, welcome to our I Love Maths channel. Today we are going to see 7th Mathematics CBSE Chapter 2 Exercise 2.1 page number 31. Okay, first question, solve. 2 minus 3 by 5, that means subtraction of fraction. Okay, now how we can do this? Actually, nothing in denominator means we have to assume that 1 is there. So we can write 2 by 1 minus 3 by 5. Okay. If denominator is same means that is like fraction. Denominator is different means unlike fraction. So here denominator is different. So this is unlike fraction. First we have to change as like fraction. For that we have to find LCM. LCM you have studied in your lower class. So we can take LCM of 5, 1. 5, 1 is 5. So this is a method to take LCM. So 5, LCM of 5, 1 is 5. Okay. Now first fraction. Here denominator we need 5. For that we have to multiply with 5. Okay. Then only we can get 5 in denominator. The same number you should multiply in numerator also. So 2 into 5. 2 5s are 10. 1 into 5 5. So 10 by 5. Next. Denominator 5 only, that means LCM is 5 only. So here we have to multiply with 1 only. Okay, so 5 into 1 is 5 and 3 into 1 is 3. The same number you should multiply in numerator, that means 1. So 3 1 is 3. Now we can check denominator is same. So as usual subtraction. Okay, 5 is there. 10 minus 3. 10 minus 3 divided by 5. Okay, 10 minus 3 equal to 7. 7 by 5. Okay. Now second question, 4 plus 7 by 8. Okay, as usual you can change this. I told you denominator nothing is there means 1. So 4 by 1 plus 7 by 8. You can take LCM of 1, 8. Why? Because this is unlike fraction. Okay, denominator is different. So LCM of 1, 8 is 8. Okay, if you need 8 in denominator means you have to multiply with 8 here because 1 is there. So 1 into 8, that same number you should multiply in numerator also. So 4 8s are 32. 32 divided by 8 plus here 8 is there. So our LCM also 8. So no need to multiply with other number. You can multiply with 1. Okay. So 8 into 1 8. Then the same number you can multiply 7 into 1 equal to 7. Now as usual addition. Okay. 8 is there. 32 plus 7 is equal to 39. Or you can change in mixed fraction. How we can change mixed fraction? 39 divided by 8. Okay. Now 4 8s are 32. So remaining 7. What's the formula for mixed fraction? Quotient, remainder, dividend. Okay. 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 Exercise 2.1 third question. Okay, third one. 3 by 5 plus 2 by 7. Okay, this one as usual same like first and second model. Okay, you have to take the LCM of 5, 7 and multiply with that number and add. Okay, and fourth also you have to take LCM and multiply with that number and subtract. Okay, you just try yourself, third and fourth. Write the answer in comment section if it is possible. Now we are going to see fifth one. 7 by 10, 2 by 5, 3 by 2. Okay. This is unlike fraction we know because denominator is different. As usual you can find LCM of 10, 5, 2. Okay. 5 table. 2 5s are 10. 1. Then 2 is there. Then again remaining 2 table. 1, 1, 1. So what is the LCM of this? 5 2s are 10. So LCM of 10, 5, 2 is equal to 10. Okay. Now first one 7 by 10. Denominator is 10 only here. So no need to multiply with any other number. Just multiply with 1. Okay. That numerator also the same number. So 7 by 10. Okay. First one. Next one 5 here. Which number we have to multiply here to get 10? 2, is it? So that same number you should multiply in numerator also. So 2 2s are 4, 4 by 10. Then here next one 3 by 2. Which number you should multiply here to get 10? 5. Okay, so the same number you can multiply in numerator also. So 15 by 10. Now see, this is like fraction. So as usual I can add. 10 is there. 7 plus 4 plus 15. What's the answer of this? 26. 26 by 10. Okay. Now I'm going to cancel this with 2 table. Okay. That means 13 2s are 26 and 5 2s are 10. Okay. Then you can change in mixed fraction. As usual, 13 divided by 5. Okay. 2 5s are 10. Remaining 3. Okay. What's the formula for mixed fraction? Quotient. Quotient is 2. Remainder by division. Okay. Now exercise 2.1 sixth question. Okay. 2 by 3 plus 3 1 by 2. Okay. It is in mixed fraction. We have to change improper fraction. Okay. You know, you have studied in your lower class how to change improper fraction. You just multiply this number and add 2. Okay. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. So 8 by 3. Okay. The same way 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. So 7 by 2. Okay. Now we can check, is this like fraction or unlike fraction? This is unlike fraction. So we have to take LCM. 3 comma 2 LCM is 6. Okay. 3 table 1 2, then 2 table 1 1. Yes. LCM of 3 comma 2 is equal to 6. Okay. Now this one we have to change as 6. Okay. Denominator we have to change as 6. So we have to multiply with 2. The numerator also. So 16 by 6. Plus here 2 is there. So we can multiply with 3 to get 6. So 7 3s are 21 divided by 6. Okay. Now this is like fraction. As usual I can add 6. Then 16 plus 21 is equal to 37 by 6. Okay. Now we can change this in mixed fraction. 37 by 6. 6 6 are 36. Remainder 1. Okay. As usual, quotient, remainder by dividend. Okay. This stands. Now 7th one, 8 1 by 2 minus 3 5 by 8. Okay. The same model. You have to change in improper fraction. After that, you can find LCM, then subtract. Okay. Do it yourself. Okay. Now next second question. Arrange in descending order. Okay. For that, we have to change like fraction. As usual, you can take LCM first. 9, 3, 21. Okay. 3 table we can use. 3 3s are 1 3s are and 7 3s are. Again 3 table you can use 1 1 then 7. 7 table 1 1 1. Okay. Now LCM of 9 3 21 is equal to 3 3s are 9, 9 7s are 63. So the LCM is 63. Okay. Now we can check first number. If you get 63 in denominator means you have to multiply with 7. Okay. Then only you can get 63. The same number you multiply in numerator also. So 14 by 63. Next one, you have to multiply with 21. Then only you can get 63 in denominator. Okay. The same number you can multiply here. So 42 by 63. Next one, 21 here we have to multiply with 3 table to get 63 in denominator. The same number you can multiply in numerator also. So 24 by 63. Now this is like fraction. You can check which one is big number because we have to write it in descending order. Descending means big to small. Okay. Which one is big number here? 42. So 42 by 63. The next one 24. So 24 by 63. The next one 14 by 63. So 14 by 4. Okay. So the same number you can write. 42 by 63 is 2 by 3. Then 24 by 63 is 8 by 21. The next one 14 by 63 is 2 by 9. Okay. Now second one, arrange in descending order. Second one 1 by 5, 3 by 7, 7 by 10. Okay, same like first model. You have to find the LCM and then change the same denominator. After that you can find out descending order. Okay, thank you. Answer please write in the comment section.